Okay, let's talk about one of the most confusing punctuation marks, the semicolon. We're going to set the record straight for when to use a semicolon and when not to use a semicolon. So, when do we use semicolons? Use a semicolon to connect two independent clauses. Remember independent clauses? Those are complete thoughts that can stand alone as sentences. Now the catch is that those two sentences you're connecting need to be closely related. Here's an example. I love grammar, semicolon, punctuation makes writing clearer. Both of these are complete sentences on their own, but instead of using a period, we use a semicolon to show that the ideas are connected. Got it? Now here's what not to do. Never use a semicolon with conjunctions like and, but, or. I love grammar, semicolon, but punctuation makes writing clearer. Wrong. This drives me crazy. This is incorrect. We don't need that conjunction but in there. If you want the conjunction, then just use a comma with it and leave out the semicolon like this. I love grammar, comma, but punctuation makes writing clearer. Or like we saw before, drop the conjunction and just use a semicolon. I love grammar, semicolon, punctuation makes writing clearer. All right, all clear? That's it. Keep writing, keep punctuating properly, and I'll see you next time.